Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will teach you how you can use your Bitget wallet. So let's begin the video. First step is go and download your Bitget wallet. You can find this app in your app store. Now I will go to my app store and there I will search for Bitget wallet. Here you can see your Bitget wallet. Simply go and download. I have already downloaded, so I will just go and I will update that. Now our wallet is downloaded, so I will just go and I will open that. Here you have two options. You can create or you can import your wallet. For importing, here you have three options. You can see I will just go and I will create my wallet here. First, here you have to go and you have to set a pin, and that's it. Our account has been created with just one step. Here you can see how this homepage looks. Here you can see all the homepage. Here let's talk about how you can add more account. Here just you have to click on your profile. Now here you can see this option called switch wallet. From here you can switch. Here first you have this create wallet option where you can go and you can create your wallet. Here you have two options. And second, here you have this import wallet option from where you can import. Here even you can log in with your Apple ID, Google ID or emails. Here you can go and you can connect hardware devices. For that you have to go and you have to scan the QR code. That was basically all about how you can manage different wallets in this Bitget. Now let's talk about how you can deposit crypto here. You can do that through crypto assist or peer-to-peer trading, and here you also have this buy crypto option. Let's first talk about how you can do that through crypto assist. Here you have two options. You can do that by selecting coin or by selecting network. Here you have many network options. You can see here you have Ethereum network and other networks here. From here you have to copy your SIM address, and that's how you can deposit through crypto. Next step is depositing through peer-to-peer. Here you can see you have here buying option. From here you can go and you can buy, and here you can also see here the selling options as well. Here you can also go and you can buy crypto. For that you have to write here the amount and then the coin you want to buy. That was all about how you can deposit. Now let's talk about how you can receive. Here for receiving you have two options. You have here this buy coin and buy network. Here I have selected Ethereum, and for Ethereum you can see here now we have four options for network. You can choose one and you can deposit your money. That's how this receive basically works. Now here you have this alpha. In alpha you can do the instant buy and instant sell thing, and here you have many coins. Like for example, if I go and if I select one coin here, from here you can go and you can check all the detail about the coin. Here you can see how the coin is doing. You can see the token detail here as well and security check as well. Here in the Bitget you can also see the future trading as well. Here in the future trading you can select the market order or limit order, and you can also go with the buy long and buy short. Like if you see profit here, then you can go with buy long, and you can go with buy short if you see the loss. And here in the bottom you can see your total assessed. Here you can see your total balance and the amount of money you have sent and received. Here you can also see the trending coin. And that was basically all about how you can download and you can use your Bitget wallet. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.